2012 GMC Sierra 6.0 liter Denali. What is it, Timmy? Denali, baby. Can't get any better than a Denali. Anyways, there's the sock converters. There and there. Then it was into a single. Then it's got that beautiful third cat that everybody hates, but I like it. It looks fancy. It's got a flex pipe on it, then 3.5-inch pipe. So we put them a CARVEN exhaust. Part number TR performance muffler, 3-inch in, 3-inch out. Part number CVE TR30. There'll be a link in the description for it if you want to purchase it. CARVEN. And then we left the resonator on. He'll probably come back and take it off and put a 5-inch tip. But he said, I'm going to try it like that because I want it to be more of a grandpa sleeper. And he's going to build it. He's going to put a cam on it and all that, he said. There's a muffler we cut off right there. And we left everything else the same. Bone stock. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. GMC Denali 6.0. That stupid rep limiter. There you go. Again. That sounds a lot better. Just nice deep tone. Here's sound decibels. Again. Again. Right at 102. Go ahead and back it out. You guys saw my reflection, didn't you, in the cat? When we hit 1 million subscribers, I'll do a reveal. That sounds phenomenal. GMC Sierra Denali. Let you guys hear on the inside. GMC Sierra. Give it gas. Denali 6.0.